Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you were safe and sound. Welcome to Ariful School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided Universal School, morning shift. Today I am going to conduct an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, Radiant Way, page 7-9 discussions. So, my dear students, open up this book. The Radiant Way, first step, and you will go to, everyone open your this book, and you will go to this page, page number 7. We will read this poem, Mother Sing 2, and page number 9. Come and for thank you, da. Okay, this is our today's lectures. Everyone open this book. So our today's lecture is Class Junior 1, Subject English, Topic Radiant Way, page 7-9 discussions, term half yearly, lecture number 6, no SW today, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. So we will go to page number 7. Okay, you will go to Radiant Way book, page number 7. Page number 7. Okay, so the name of the poem is Mother Sing 2. So one thing I want to say, my dear students, you do not need to memorize this poem. From this poem you will have fill in the gaps in your exam. From this poem you will have question answer in this poem. From this poem you will have word meaning, English to English, English to Bangla will come. Okay, so let's read it. Let's read this poem, Mother Sing 2. So the name of the poem is Mother Sing 2. Sing, 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 mother sing. Can mother sing? Mother can sing. So the question come, can mother sing? The question might, can mother sing? The answer will be yes, mother can sing. Pat can sing. So you can see in the picture, the name of the boy is Pat, and this is Pat's mother. Okay, the name of the boy is Pat, and Pat is singing, and mother is listening to Pat's song. Okay, so Pat can sing. Pat sing to mother. Pat sing to mother. So Pat is singing and her mother is listening to the song. Sing to Pat, mother. So I'm reading again. Mother sing to, sing, sing, sing. Sing, mother sing. Can mother sing? Mother can sing. Pat can sing. Pat sing to mother. Sing to Pat, mother. So according to the British English, in this word R is not pronounced. According to British English, if after R we find any punctuation mark, R isn't pronounced. The pronunciation will be mother, mother, not mother. Pat sing to mother, sing to Pat, mother. Okay, we'll move to next page. The name of the poem is Come and Thank You Thou. So come, 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 come to mother Pat. So do you know this is Pat, this is Pat mother's, and this is Anne. Come, 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 come to mother Pat. Come to mother and so the speaker is saying come to mother. Speaker is asking to Pat and Anne to come to their mother. Pat ran to mother. This might come your exam. Fill in the gaps. Pat dashed to mother. Answer will be Pat ran to mother. Anne ran to mother. So Anne ran to mother. Fill in the blanks. can be come to your exam from this poem. Mother has a top for pet. Mother has a dash for pet. Mother has a top for pet. Mother has a cot for Anne. So top, you know what is top? Playing instruments, and cot means bait. Okay, small bait. Thank you, mother, for the top. This is saying pet. Thank you, mother, for the cot. And this is Anne saying to her mother. Okay, I'm reading again. Come, Anne, for thank you, mother. Come, come, come. Come to mother, pet. Come to mother, and pet ran to mother. Anne ran to mother. Mother has a top for pet. Mother has a cot for Anne. Cot means bed, top means playing instruments. Thank you, mother, for the top. Pat is saying to his mother. And thank you, mother, for the cot. Anne is saying to her mother. So this is our today's class, my dear students. So, my dear students, no SW today for this poem. Read this poem at home. Keep practicing at home. Abide with parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.